Hi friends, this is Nageshwam. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use section groups in Microsoft Office OneNote 2007. Open OneNote 2007. In my previous tutorial, I have created few sections into this notebook. If we keep on creating the sections, more number of tabs will be added on the top and it becomes so clumsy. So it is better to create section groups, which will allow us to create a group of sections with some specific sections that we want to keep separate them from the rest of the sections. Here I want to group the sections based on priority level. Before this, we need to create section groups. For creating section groups, we have multiple ways. Come to File and navigate to New. Here you will get the option Section Group, and we can also create the section group from standard toolbar. Click on the arrow next to New and you will get same options, and we can select section group. And Notebook offers one more best option to create the section groups. Right click on the sections area and please select the option New Section Group. Here we need to add a name to our section group. Enter. Similarly, I want to create one more group. If we click on the section group, it will open that section group. Now it is empty. Let's add some sections into this group. To add the sections, first we need to come out from here. So click on arrow, which indicates navigate to parent section group. Now to place the sections into these section groups, we need to select the section and drag and drop it in section group. Select and drag it, drop it. And in support, I want to add Office, Salespersons. With these sections will be moved into the section groups. Come to section group, and here I got administration and directors. Similarly, click on support and I got office and salesperson sections. And if we click on the sections in section group, it will open the related sections. Again, to bring back the sections out of the section group, simply select and drag the section and drop it in the arrow. Again, we will get back the sections into parent section group. Again, come to management. Here, select the section and drag it to the arrow. After this, if you want to delete the section groups, simply right click on the section group, and here we need to select the delete option. But before this, we need to empty the section groups, otherwise we will lose the sections that we have added. Are you sure you want to delete the following section group? Click on yes to confirm this, and the section group will be deleted from our notebook. Like this, we can use and create section groups in Microsoft Office OneNote 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.